My name is Jack Nicala, and I'm the creator and inventor of the bed scrunchie. I created the bed scrunchie because I wanted to solve the fitted sheet dilemma once and for all. Most people hate the fitted sheet. It's really annoying. Putting it on the bed is difficult, and folding it is just a nightmare. But having to fix it every day, that's just too much. There isn't much that you have to do. All you have to do is attach it to the fitted sheet, and then put the fitted sheet on your mattress like you normally would, and then just tighten the drawstring. Its patented 360-degree design allows the sheets to stay in place all night.
All of our problems are solved.
I've been in the textile industry for over 10 years with really no real knowledge in sewing, but I've had some machines at my facility, so I decided to start a small passion project that I thought would really help solve this fitted sheet dilemma once and for all. With trial and error and countless nights spent at the workshop, I must have went through about 6 prototypes, and finally I figured out the way to make the bed scrunchie work.
Hi, I'm Michael Nusinkus, co-founder of the bed scrunchie, a straightforward and easy-to-use solution for a common everyday problem. Nowadays, bedding manufacturers have the fitted sheet all wrong. They're either making it too short or too long, making the product bunch up, scrunch up, and just come off in the middle of the night. The problem is really irritating. In addition to its patented 360-degree hold, the bed scrunchie also acts as a fitted sheet extender. Have you ever been in a situation where your mattress wasn't too comfortable and you were thinking about getting one of those fancy feather beds or mattress toppers? There's no way your existing fitted sheet would go over that mattress and hold everything nice and tight in place where it needs to be. The bed scrunchie fixes that. Have you ever been in a situation where you threw your sheets in the dryer and they shrunk? Well, there's no way they're fitting on that mattress. Some last-minute unexpected guests, and you need to find that fitted sheet for your guest bed. The bed scrunchie turns any flat sheet into a perfectly tailored fitted sheet. We got you covered, so you can sleep tight all night.